A step-by-step guideline to submit to Google News. Step 1. Meet Google News guidelines. Before submitting your site to Google News, you must ensure that your website meets the following deadlines. You should regularly update your website with original and high-quality content. The navigation structure of your website must be clear and easy to use. All content must be appropriate and not illegal to maintain a legitimate website. Contact information should be clearly and accurately displayed on your website. Make sure that your website complies with Google's Webmaster Guidelines. Step 2. Create a Google News sitemap. To create a Google News sitemap, you need to follow a specific format and provide details about each article you wish to submit to Google News. To create a Google News sitemap, you need to use the following format: the URL of each article, the publication date and time of each article, the name of the publication or organization responsible for the content, the title of each article, a short description of each article, a list of keywords. Click the link to learn more.